Please.
Assalamu alaikum. Amira Hashim, Sahaba, writes from Egypt. She says, my question is about what is written in the Arabic book of the promised Messiah, named Mirat Kamalat al-Islam, about Maulana Hakim Nuruddin. In this book, the promised Messiah praised Maulana Hakim Nuruddin and said about him that he was a very good and a capable writer. He said that his writings were cure for the seekers. He also asked his followers cure for the seekers. He also asked his followers to read these books of Maulana Nuruddin and benefit from the knowledge of them. I want to know if Maulana Hakim Nuruddin has written any books in Arabic or not. If so, are those books available for now for us to read?
Tasdeeq Ibrahim Ahmadiyya is there, Faslul Khitab is there, but mostly they are in Urdu.
This is what the question is asking.
Yes.
I don't remember any of his Arabic books, but that was perhaps a strange sign in favor of Muslim Awwal. Hazrat Khalifa Awwal knew Arabic so well that he used to write letters to people in Arabia in Arabic, and wonderful pieces of oratory they were, fasat or balaghat, But he ceased to write in Arabic after he became Hazrat Muslim Islam's devoted servant, because he did not want to have a parallel sort of demonstration of Arabic when Hazrat Muslim Islam had been granted this gift from Allah himself. So I think this shows his humility, not lack of knowledge of Arabic. And we have noticed that despite the fact that he was one of the greatest ulama, Arabic scholars of the time, yet Hazrat Muslim Islam spoke in Khutbah al-Hamya such Arabic that he had no knowledge of himself at that time. So later his words were discussed by ulama and meanings were found in dictionaries, and he spoke verbatim. And this Khutbah al-Hamya is a miracle of God. For anyone to stand and speak verbatim of such difficult Arabic, it has to be explained. I think it's so amazing. I'm surprised if this is just one sign of his truth, which all the mullah of the world cannot frustrate and undo. So I'll try to make research further into any Arabic writings of his which may not have been published but may be available in our libraries. So we'll hunt for them, and Imam Sahib will write to the center to help us there. Incidentally, one thing else should also be found out. I definitely remember that long before becoming an Ahmadi, he had traveled to Arabia and lived there for some time. Mostly I think in Medina, but also in Mecca. So during that period of his sojourn to Arab countries, I read that great Arabic scholars were so deeply impressed by his command of Arabic that they were amazed. So let's find out more about that time and tell them to write a full history of how long did he stay there, in which cities he remained mostly, and what scholars he talked with, and so on and so forth. Right? So this question answer is very useful for me. Yeah?